Hello everybody, my name is Sebastian, I am co-founder and developer at Melody Scanner. Today I'm going to show you the brand new transposing feature that is now available in the Melody Scanner editor. Imagine you have this song in the musical key of F-sharp major. So, if you want to get rid of all the sharp notes, you can transpose the song to C major. To do that in Melody Scanner, enter the edit mode first, and you can now click on this up-down arrow button in the toolbar. This opens the transposition dialog. Here you first of all see the name of the score's current key. As mentioned, in this example it is F-sharp major. You can now select the new key you want your song to be transposed to. Let's choose C major. You can also decide whether you want to move all notes pitches upwards or downwards. If needed, you can add an additional octave shift here. You can now choose whether you want to update the notes, update the key signature, which is shown at the beginning of each line. And since we have some chord labels in our song, we also want them to get updated according to the new musical key. After a click on Apply, we can see the transposed score. Let's listen to the result. Another, even funnier thing you can do with this new feature is to change the song from using a major scale to a minor scale. Let's listen to that one. As you might have heard, the mood of the song has changed. Of course, it also works the other way around. That's all for now. You can find a link to this demo song in the video description. And if you have any feedback or suggestions, please write us to support@melodyscanner.com.